Helping hands. We can use our hands to do a lot of things, but we should not use them to hurt other people. We might hurt others if we use our hands to hit, pinch, or push. Our friends might get scared if we use our hands in a mean way. Our friends might be sad if we use our hands to hurt them. We can use our hands to help others. Helping a friend carry their books is a good choice. We can use our hands to complete tasks. Doing our work in class is a good way to use our hands. If you get angry or upset, your teacher may ask you to calm down or take a few breaths. Your teacher wants to help you use your hands to be helpful and do good things. Don't forget, hands are for helping, not for hurting. Thanks for watching.